September 15th, 2020. Welcome to Volume 1, Issue 8 of Electromagnetic Radiation News. Every morning I take a computer loaded with a number of online magazines that I like to read every morning to the coffee shop. And just in case you're wondering that the computer is offline, I've got a nice little way of reading these. Now, there's several magazines that I'd like to bring your attention to, a couple of them in particular this morning. The first one I'd like to bring everyone's attention to is a magazine called The New Agora. Now, he doesn't always have articles about electromagnetic radiation, but he does have some on occasion. But I've got a special reason for bringing this up and encouraging people to read the magazine and look at it. Now, it's available, let's see, where's the link here? newagora.ca. Now, it's used to be published in hard copy. Now he only does it in a online version, which you can get here. Now, he also has an interesting publication, The New Now, which Agora, by the way, means now in Portuguese. So there are companion magazines covering slightly different topics. But the reason why I particularly like this is that as part of a whole synergy of how we can get the word out that the mainstream media isn't publicizing as well, is recently I interviewed him to do with his 10th anniversary of being the publisher. Very interesting article. Citizens Forum is, shall we say, our companion organization, and it's available online here. That we have a number of interviews with people, as well as other articles, some that I do publish electromagnetic radiation news online there as well. Getting back to here, that he has he used to have in his hard copy an interesting line that I liked, or part of the cover. Truth is our currency, elect to govern yourself. Now, that's very important, especially in this age of everything being so confused, no one really knowing for sure what the truth is. Everyone reading this, I'm quite sure, has a very strong opinion on things like 5G, but that's, I guess, their opinion, and to come to that opinion, you need the truth. So truth is our currency. Now, the second one is another one out of Australia. You can't quite see the title there, Sombre Gate. That they publish another of articles about electromagnetic radiation. Now, their link is, where is it here? The ones I want to bring up in particular today is a series of lectures on their magazine done by Dr. Barry Trower out of England. Now, Dr. Trower has been, shall we say, one of the leading lights talking a lot about electromagnetic radiation over the years. And well worth reading, very informed on some of the other aspects of electromagnetic radiation. And we'll just scroll down here, that if you go down, click on continue reading, it takes you to another page where you see the series of his lectures. And just a quick look at one of his lectures here.
Okay, thank you.
He's important if you believe in, as the previous one, that truth is our currency. We do need the truth. Now, there's also another very interesting piece coming out of France in the same magazine, that many of the French mayors obviously are calling for a moratorium on 5G. Now, just bring this up a little easier to see. To fast scroll through, I very much recommend that people take a look at the article, which is available here. That it's interesting to see that other countries in the world are definitely becoming very involved in doing something about the problems of 5G in particular. And we just scroll through here. It's quite an extensive article, well worth taking the time. A list of countries that countries and municipalities that are taking actions, at least the people are taking actions and passing resolutions to halt the rollout of 5G. There's a number of articles, and you can get into a great many more links to follow up on a lot of these. That, once again, it's something that I make a point of wanting to read literally every day. That I've been reading, as I say, these for quite a while, and they're well worth reading. And that's all from Electromagnetic Radiation News today.